Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress to your domain. So you need two things to follow along to this video. First of all, you need a domain. You can purchase this from somewhere like GoDaddy or Siteground. Second thing you need is hosting with a cPanel. cPanel is the industry standard hosting platform, so make sure you look out for this when you're looking for your hosting plans. It will make your life a lot easier if you do have it. Once you have those two things, you need to log into your cPanel, which through most hosting providers you can do by logging into your accounts, and it's usually fairly well signposted. This is using Siteground, this video, and within Siteground you log into your hosting account and it's fairly easy to then find the cPanel and log in. Once you've done that, you need to find the section of your cPanel that handles CMS, or if there's a specific section for WordPress, go there. If you get really stuck, you can use Control F on Windows and just type in the word WordPress and it will take you to the WordPress installer within cPanel. My WordPress installer is here, so I'm just going to click into it. And now I'm going to install WordPress onto a domain I've bought for recording video tutorials, wpwootutorials.co.uk. I'll just walk you through these steps quickly. So where it says choose protocol, this refers to the domain and how we're actually installing WordPress on the domain. Are we going to set it up to be HTTPS, HTTP with www. Or just install it to the root HTTPS or HTTP? I prefer to install it just to the HTTPS route like this. So I'm going to set it up like this. It's worth mentioning that you can't use HTTPS if you don't have an SSL certificate. So if you're not sure, ask your developer or whoever's accountable for your website. Make sure you figure this stuff out first of all. Siteground offer free SSL certificates using Let's Encrypt. So if you do use Siteground for your hosting, you can obviously get an SSL for free. The next step is where are you actually going to install WordPress on the domain. I'm going to leave this blank because I want WordPress to be installed right onto wpwootutorials.co.uk. I don't want it to be, for instance, installed here. The next section handles site settings, so you need to give the site a name and a description, but this can be set from the WordPress dashboard, so it's not too important if you're still setting up your website. There's also the option for WordPress multi-sites. That's probably a video for another day, so don't pay attention to that, just leave that unchecked. Admin accounts, so this is where you actually set the WordPress username and password to get into the back end of the website using /wp-admin. If you're not sure how to actually log into WordPress once it's installed, there's another video tutorial in this playlist that shows you how to access the WordPress admin panel, and it will show you how you can log into the back end of your WordPress website. And I'll put that video on the end of this video on the recommended videos just to make it easy for you to find. I'm just going to change this admin email address to my actual email. I'm just going to write something here. Don't worry too much about this bit here. You can install plugins once the website's up and running. The goal of this video is just to install WordPress to the domain. Advanced options, if you do need to make a note of the database name, here's your chance to do it. I'm just going to click install. The domain right now shouldn't have anything on it. Once I do this, we should see the standard WordPress it's been set up page with the 2018 WordPress theme. Okay, so it says it's been done. Just refresh that. Okay, there we go. So you can see that we just had the blank domain here. We've now installed WordPress. WordPress resources at SiteGround, so it's all working fine. As you can see, WordPress has been installed. And if I go wp-admin, it will give me the option to log in. So there you go, nice and simple and straightforward. I'll walk you through the steps again really quickly, just an overview. You need to purchase a domain, purchase hosting with CPanel, log into your CPanel, find the section that handles CMS and CMS installers, and then install WordPress to the domain. Make a note of the username and password, and make sure when it comes to installing on the directory, leave the directory blank to have WordPress installed on the root of your website. Hopefully you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe for future videos. I'm always creating new, fresh content, video tutorials to help you build and grow your WordPress and WooCommerce businesses. If there's any specific area or content you'd like to see me cover, please let me know. I'm open to doing new videos if they'll help you out in any way. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.